Welcome, 9 Dimes Project channel. We're back with part 2 in our investment series. This video is your first investment, and it's the Roth IRA Supercharged, Superpower. Alright, so this is investing for beginners. Last week we covered why saving by itself won't make you rich, and you need to invest. You can watch those. If you missed it, a quick recap is savings accounts barely beat inflation. In most cases, they don't beat it. The stock market averages 8 to 10% per year, and it does beat inflation. That's why it's important. Compound interest is magic. So, I'm going to show you in this video what one account every person needs. It's called the Roth IRA, and it's a superpower. Let's see. So what is a Roth IRA? It's a retirement account where money grows tax-free forever. You put in after-tax money, and it grows for decades. You take it out in retirement tax-free, and there's no taxes on gains ever. It's the closest thing to a cheat code that you don't really have to do a whole lot for. So why it's magic? The younger you are, so the earlier you start, the more it compounds. And you start at 18 versus 30, and start at 18, $100 a month, you get 1.2 million by age 65 at 8%. If you start at 30, $100 a month, it's $440,000 by 65. You got a 12-year head start, and it's $760,000 more. Time is your biggest advantage. Eligibility and contribution limits. You must have earned income, job or side business, or some type of earned income. So the limit for 2025 is $7,000 per year. Max, that's $583 a month. And you can contribute any amount, even $10 a month. But the max is $7,000 in a year. You don't have to max it out, but you should try to. So, how to open a Roth IRA in 10 minutes. Choose your brokerage. 3 main ones are Fidelity, Charles Schwab, and Vanguard. You can do, it's a little about them. Fidelity has no minimums. It's a great app. Charles Schwab is excellent customer service. Vanguard is the lowest fees and index fund focus, but can research more on them, pick the ones you like. Maybe you even use all 3 if you're balling like that. So you go to the website, click open an account, select Roth IRA. If you're under 18, it can be a custodial account, which means your parent co-signs for it, which that could be awesome too, because you're starting before 18. So you fill out the application. You'll probably need a social security number, bank account info, driver's license, if it's your own account. You link your bank account. You make an initial contribution. It can be, $10, whatever. Choose your investment. and set up automatic monthly contributions, and you're done. Now you're an investor. So what to invest in? One option is a target date fund. You can search target date, 30, 40 years into the future, 50 years, and it automatically rebalances as you age. You set it and you forget it. Another option is S&P 500 index or some other index. So depending on which broker you use or investment account broker you use, the ticker symbol, or actually I don't think it's called a ticker symbol, but it's like a symbol, and you put it in, it's different for the brokerage, for each brokerage. But anyway, it invests in the 500 biggest companies in the US. Historically has 10% average annual return. What you don't want to do is pick individual stocks unless you got some crazy stock picking knowledge. And don't try to time the market, and don't panic when the prices fall. It will fall, and that's just normal. So $100 per month challenge. If you can invest $100 a month starting today, in 10 years you'll have $18,000. 20 years, $59,000. 30 years, $150,000. 40 years, $351,000. All tax-free. That's just $100 a month. Can you find it? So now you know what the Roth IRA is, and you know how to open it. In part 3, I'm going to show you what financial independence looks like. Not the Instagram version, the real version. That's Monday. Don't forget our wealth building tools with the links in the description. Check out the wealth building calculator. It's awesome. And we also have other tools. The wealth budget starter kit, or the starter kit, wealth building starter kit. Anyway, let me get out of here, and we'll see you Monday.